Alright, so I'm going to show you how to remove the Instagram follow limit. So if you can't follow more people on Instagram, here's why and how to fix it. So first step is to open up the Instagram app, and here's why this happens. So 7,500 is the follow limit for Instagram, so Instagram doesn't allow you to follow more than this. You'll need to unfollow some accounts first in order to follow more people. Or you follow too many accounts too quickly, so Instagram will temporarily block you thinking you're a bot or a third-party app. So here's how to fix it. So click on the bottom right hand corner for your profile, and then click on the top 3-line menu. Then from here, scroll down to the button where you see help, and then press report a problem. Report a problem without shaking. You can toggle that on or off. And then from here, including continue, and then basically you explain what your problem is. So something like this, and then you would press send, and then 1 hour or 1 to 2 business days, Instagram should get back to you with an explanation or an answer to the problem.